Alright guys, I'm going to be teaching about support and resistance zones, how to understand your support and resistance zone. So first of all, what I want to explain to you guys is that support and resistance is not just a line, but support and resistance are zones, not just a line. So we are looking at the chart of GBP JPY, and now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to mark out my support zones and my resistance zones. So let me start with my support zones. Right here is my support zone for this chart. Right here. And now remember, like I said before, support and resistance zone are not lines but zones. So we will use our triangle to mark out our zone. Right. So now this is a zone, not just a line. So whenever price get to this point in the market, you can see that support and resistance, this is a resistance zone. Now as we can see, the first tap there was a resistance. The second tap, we have multiple taps, and each time the market touches these zones, the zone don't actually get stronger, but it gets weaker. So there is a possibility for the zone to get broken out of, because multiple touches makes the zone weaker. Right, so now we are going to draw our resistance line. Right. Cool. Right, this is our resistance zone. Right here is my resistance zone for this pair, and I'm going to clone this because remember, like I said before, these are zones, not lines. All right. Boom. And now we have our support zone. This is our support zone right here, and this is our resistance zone right here. So let me explain more on this. So support zones are like the floor of your house. It touches it multiple of times without breaking it. This is like the flooring of the whole thing. While the resistance zone is like your roof. This is the ceiling of the market. That is how it works. It doesn't break it. As you can see in our resistance, in our support zones, we had multiple touches right here in our support zone, and also in our resistance zone we had multiple touches right here. Right, so now this is what I mean by this. And now in situations when your zones get broken out of, so let's use this for an example. I want to use this for an example. Right, so initially this was our support zone. Initially this right here was our support zone. Even before this actually happened, this was the zone which was respected as support, and now the zone was broken. So when your support zone is broken, what happens? Your support zone becomes your resistance because it retests the zone. So this right here is our support. When the market was here, this was our support. Our support went and got broken and then became our resistance. So the same with this zone right here. Let's say for example, this zone gets broken out of here, and this zone gets broken out of here, and it retests. So this zone now becomes our resistance zone, no longer our support zone. So that is how the market works. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll have more videos coming out, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Thank you guys.